cups. What? What's here? Cups. It's for Mickey Mouse. It's for everyone. Here we go. Mickey Mouse! What do you see? You're a robot. Oh, thank you. Well, I'm not tasty. What? Because I could need. Oh, so good. Hey, underwear. Why'd you do that? Hey, I'd put the trash. No. Why not? Why not? Because you could play toys. No. Why not? Because I could go to McDonald's. What? Oh, $10 Well, I don't want it. Why would you do that? Because I don't want it. I get to go and get the camera. I can't listen. I got this one. Wait, where's Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse! Mickey Mouse! Where is he? Mickey Mouse! Mickey Mouse! No, it's Chase. What's Mickey Mouse? I see